This is a brand new 2011 Lincoln MKZ. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include dual power seats, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a multi-disc CD player, aluminum wheels, traction control and stability control systems, side impact airbags, air conditioning, and 9 intelligently positioned speakers producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, more money will stay in your pocket rather than pour into the fuel tank. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Malloy Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 14665 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.